Opening the door of your Candy Aquamatic AQUA 1142D1 washing machine is normally simple, but sometimes the door may remain locked after a cycle finishes. This happens because modern washing machines use a safety locking mechanism to prevent the door from opening while water is inside or the drum is still spinning. Once the machine completes the cycle and the lock releases, the door can be opened safely. If the lock seems delayed, a short wait or quick reset usually resolves the issue and allows you to access your laundry without forcing the door. Try these. Step 1. Wait 1 to 2 minutes after the wash cycle ends for the safety lock to release automatically. Step 2. Check that the machine has completely stopped and the drum is no longer spinning. Step 3. Gently pull the door handle to open the washer once the lock disengages. Step 4. If the door remains locked, turn the machine off and unplug it for about 1 minute. Step 5. Restore power and try opening the door again once the locking system resets.